This is my 5th year coming to Download now, and I can honestly say I love coming to this festival. It is definitely one of those things you need to think about before you go, and I'm going to make a separate video about all the things I've learned about what is good to bring with you, little tips and tricks that I've picked up from the years. It's worth the money if you're going to see enough bands, because I think about the amount of money that it would cost to go and see some of the bands that play a Download where they would normally be touring elsewhere in the world and not necessarily come to the UK. For tickets and accommodation, I would probably spend a lot more than what I pay to see everything at Download in one go. I tend to average out in the 20 or more bands each time I've been to Download, so I definitely get my money's worth. There is always a bit of sitting around where there's nothing going on, too exhausting to spend the entire day from the opening of the arena to the closing after the headliner. That's a very long time to be stood in the elements, either the really, really hot or the really cold and wet. You really don't want to do that. You want to be moving around. You want to be having some shelter, having a break, having a rest. So it's worth thinking about these sort of things before you go. Why do you have to swear at me?
Yeah, I'll just delete the footage, it's fine.
No, no. You have to save all my footage. All footage is important.
I didn't say that.
Hello.
Part of the agreement.
Hi, Mum. Hey.
You're live on Channel 4.
You're
Swear as much as you like.
What's it like out there?
Not too bad, it's not raining right now.
It's not raining.
It's not muddy out there either.
Oh. ございます。